Yeah, so for fleets that are investing in electrified air conditioning, which is really a no idle system. So for a long haul tractor trailer truck fleet right now, when the driver sleeps in the cab, if they don't have an auxiliary unit on their system, the driver has to run the engine all night long for air conditioning. They burn about a gallon of diesel an hour. So the U.S. fleet, according to the EPA, has about 660,000 trucks that sit in parking lots and burn a gallon of diesel an hour over the course of a year. That's about 1 billion gallons of diesel fuel and 11 million tons of CO2 per year just from these trucks idling. So there's a tremendous cost to the fleets at $3 a gallon. That's a very expensive proposition. When you add to that the maintenance on the engine, and then more importantly the damage to the diesel particulate filter and the after treatment systems that comes from that, it's a very expensive proposition for the fleets to not have an anti-idle system or an electrified air conditioner on their truck. The issue with the electrified air conditioner is that if you don't have the full charge in the batteries, they're not going to last the whole night. And eventually you'll walk the batteries down. They're lead acid, and if you don't charge them to 100% over time, the available capacity in those batteries goes down and the system performance continues to go down to the point where it's not very effective for the driver at all, and they end up running their engine again. So you're not maximizing the investment that you've made into that system. When you add RelGen to it, you're going to get 100% charge every day. You're going to take them from zero up to full quicker. You're going to maintain them at a higher state of charge. They're going to be healthier. Your electrified air conditioning will perform better, and your batteries will last longer. So that will maximize your investment and actually extend the life of your batteries, further reducing your costs.